Good afternoon, everyone. So, we are Group One, and we are not together today because because of COVID situation. We are working in remote locations, and but we have got together through various social media aspects, and we have put this project or for the datathon together. So, let me walk through what we have done. So, let me share my screen. So this will be our login portal for the Snap as well as Farmers Market. So our problem statement was given by the Virginia Datathon people is that SNAP is Supplementary Nutrition Assessment Program. This is the first line of defense for battling against hunger in Virginia. And we also have the Farmers Market Program, which we are integrating together, and this will bridge the gap between the snap holders and the farmers market program, because sometimes snap holders cannot find the farmers market or the nutritious food wherever they have to go. So through our portal they'll be easily able to find where these things are located, where the farmers market is located, and we'll be going through that. So the snap holders can just enter the EBT number that they have, and they'll be guided to a login page where they can take surveys and do all that. So let's go through that. So this is going to be our login page. So we'll have our about section. Furthermore, the contact for the authorities and everything through which they can contact, and they can read about what this portal does and all of that. And finally, you can sign in and enter your EBT number. For example, I'm just going to say, so you'll be guided to this particular portal where you can see the status, the survey, and the locate. So let us go through each one of them. So the status is going to give you your EBT number and say whether it's active or not, because EBT number is given to residents by the Virginia department, and a certain amount of money is going to be put into their account every month so that they can purchase these food items from the farmers market or any other place that accepts snap cards, etc. So we have two graphs here that we have plotted and derived. So first one is region wise issuance of the snap cards to residents and all of that. And further from this we can see that most of the snap card is issued in the eastern locality in the Virginia Norfolk area. So that is what the first graph describes about. And this they we have a wide view of what is going on here, and this is our data aspect. So let us go to the survey page. So the, the survey page has just a the survey page will ask you to take a survey and regarding whether you will say this portal is okay or not for your peers and everything like that. And furthermore, our most important factor that we want to show you is the locate factor. So we have used Google Maps API to locate particular areas. So for example, you stay in Richmond and you want to locate any farmer market near you. So which is a farmer market near you? So let's say Richmond. So as I was saying, you go there and you click on Richmond, and it says which is the nearest farmer market to Richmond. So this is done using the Google Maps API, and you can add similar places and search where the nearest farmer market towards you is located. So we want to build upon this app because we have less number of data, and the number of years are also very less. So this can be used for the entire country as well, because it's a very useful app, and it will help curb hunger, curb poverty, and help people get more nutritious food. And that's why we decided to make this app, and decided on these two data sets, merge them together. So thank you so much.